It is a great honor for me to receive this degree from Shiv Nadar University. This is in fact not my first time in SNU, although this is the first official visit. And I must say that every time I have visited SNU, I have been really impressed by the ambience that it provides for both the students and the faculty here. Now in these days, we see that much emphasis is being placed on giving the maximum number of degrees with minimal possible expense. And in this environment, we often forget the primary goal of a university, which is to generate and exchange knowledge without boundaries. And I really find SNU a rare exception in this mad rush, where there is equal emphasis on teaching and research. At the same time, I find that SNU has a friendly environment which gives both students and the faculty the opportunity to grow. And I should emphasize here that one of the symbols of a great university is not only that it allows its students to grow, but also its faculty to grow. And in my personal experience, in fact, I don't remember a single course that I have given to the students and I have not learned something new from the course. For the future, I believe that SNU indeed has a potential to grow into one of the leading universities in the world. But during this journey, we should also remember that great universities do not really belong to a country or a nation, they belong to the whole world. And again, in my personal experience, I can say that in my academic life, the thing that I enjoy most, besides teaching and research, is the fact that one feels a member of the global community. The knowledge that is generated in a great universities become the common heritage of all human beings. And at the same time, the exchange of knowledge in the universities is not really limited to nationals of any particular country or ethnicity or religion. They are for everybody. Being a privately funded university, I feel that SNU probably will find it easier to achieve this compared to other universities which are government supported. But it's not going to be an easy journey. It's going to be a long and difficult journey. And you should be proud to be the first torchbearers in this long journey. I wish you all the best for your future endeavor.